Hello students and welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions to IIT JEE Advanced 2015 paper 1. The code which we are using is 4.
Let us have a look at question number 5. Question number 5 is from coordination compounds. It says that for the octahedral complexes of Fe plus 3, okay, in SCN minus, that is thiocyanate S, and in Cn minus ligand environments, the difference between their spin only magnetic moments in Bohr magnetons when approximated to the nearest integer is, okay. Now this is a slightly conceptual question, but then I would not rate it as very difficult because those people who study coordination compounds will find it as a pretty standard question. See, first of all, you need to realize that the configuration of Fe plus 3, okay, because both the complexes are of Fe plus 3, it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d5. This is going to be the configuration of Fe plus 3 cation. Fine. Now SCN minus thiocyanate S happens to be a weak field ligand and Cn minus happens to be a strong field ligand, okay. So what difference it's going to make? The difference it's going to make is that in case of, we all know that in case of octahedral complexes there is a splitting of d orbitals, okay. So as we all know that in case of octahedral complexes there is a splitting of d orbitals. There is a splitting of d orbitals in this manner, 3 d orbitals over here and 2 d orbitals over here. So this is how the splitting takes place, and this splitting will be common in both the cases, whether it is thiocyanate S or Cn minus. So I am drawing two diagrams with the splitting. Alright, 3d orbitals here and 2d orbitals over here. So now see, both the complexes are octahedral complexes, so this is how the splitting will take place. However, since SCN minus is a weak field ligand, so the pairing will not take place and the 5 electrons of 3d5 will be filled in this manner, 1, 2, 3. And had it been a strong field ligand, then we would have started pairing the electrons here itself, but they will go over here. Fine. So in case of, this is for the case of SCN minus, because it is a weak field ligand. So it will have a total of 5 unpaired electrons. So I am writing n is equal to 5. Alright. In case of Cn minus, which happens to be a strong field ligand, there will be a large energy gap between the two. The energy gap will be high. So because of this large energy gap, the pairing will take place over here itself. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th and 5th electron will come here only. So this will have one unpaired electron. Now if I calculate the spin only magnetic moment, for which all of you must remember the formula, is given by under root n into n plus 2 Bohr magnetons. So putting the value of n5 over here, it will come out to be 5 into 7, that is root 35. That will be approximately 5.9 something, because 36 is root 36 is 6, so it will be 5.9 something. And if I calculate the magnetic moment in this case, that is mu is equal to under root nn plus 2, and I put the value of n as 1, this will come out to be under root 3, that is 1.732 Bohr magnetons. So we have to calculate the difference. So here the value was 5.9 and here the value is 1.7. So if you take the difference, you will get 5.9 minus, if I calculate the difference over here, 5.9 minus 1.7, I will give the value as approximately 4.2. Okay, but then this is an integer answer type question and we have to approximate our answer to the nearest integer. So I will select the answer as 4 for the above question because we are getting a value of 4.2. So, and nearest integer is 4. So this is my correct answer to the question. Thank you.